Hey there, fellow foodies and kitchen warriors. Today, I am beyond excited to introduce you to the ultimate kitchen multitasking superstar, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL with Pro Cook System. 10-in-1 Air Fry Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. This ingenious kitchen gadget is perfect for anyone who loves cooking, baking, and air frying, but hates the hassle of using multiple appliances. With its sleek stainless steel design and powerful 1800 watts of cooking power, this Ninja Prestige oven is a game-changer in the kitchen. Let's talk about the benefits and features that make this Ninja Prestige oven stand out from the crowd. First off, it's a 10-in-1 wonder machine, combining the functions of an air fryer, air roaster, broiler, and traditional convection toaster oven all in one. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to streamlined cooking bliss. One of the standout features of this Ninja Prestige oven is the Pro Cook thermometer, which ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. No more guesswork or checking and rechecking. Just set the desired cooking temperature and let the oven do its magic. But wait, there's more. The Ninja Prestige oven also includes a variety of preset cooking functions for easy everyday use. From air frying crispy French fries to roasting a juicy chicken, this oven can do it all with just the touch of a button. Now, let's talk about some real-life usage scenarios. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and being able to whip up a delicious and nutritious meal in no time. With the Ninja Prestige oven, dinner prep is a breeze, whether you're air frying veggies, baking cookies, or toasting your morning bagel. For those looking to compare different cooking appliances, the Ninja Prestige oven offers unmatched versatility and convenience. Why clutter your kitchen with separate air fryers, toaster ovens, and roasters when you can have it all in one sleek package? And here's a pro tip for maximizing the use of your Ninja Prestige oven: experiment with different recipes and cooking techniques to unlock its full potential. From crispy appetizers to decadent desserts, this oven can handle it all with ease. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your cooking game and simplify your kitchen setup, look no further than the Ninja Prestige Smart XL with Pro Cook System 10-in-1 Air Fry Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Upgrade your culinary experience today and say hello to a whole new world of delicious possibilities. Don't wait any longer, click the link below to order your own Ninja Prestige oven and start cooking like a pro.